Hi friends, as you all know today Union Budget for financial year 2025-26 has come. Myself CA Yashvi Singh. So let's discuss this in a most simplified manner. Let's cover some highlights of today's budget. The new income tax slab under new regime. So please note that it's going to be applicable only for the new regime. There is no changes for old regime. This is going to cover financial year 25-26. That means period starting from 1/4/2025 to 31st March 2026. So change in slab income and change in slab rates. So you see the change in slab income is on each stage it is increasing by 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 lakh. On each stage you can see the same way slab rates are increasing on each stage by 5% plus 5% plus 5%. So it is very easy to remember. On each stage income is increasing by 4 lakh and slab rates are increasing by 5%. So any person having income up to 0 to 4 lakh rupee, no taxes. 4 to 8 lakh rupees, 5%. 8 to 12 lakh rupees, 10%. 12 to 16 lakh rupees, 15%. 16 to 20 lakh rupees, 20%. And 20 to 24 lakh rupees, 25%. And above 24 lakh rupees, 30%. So something which is to be noted here is that previously this 24 lakh rupee, instead of this, it is used 30% slab rate used to start from 15 lakh itself. Now it's increased to 24 lakh rupees. So let's discuss the same in detail. So we have made a comparison chart. So one by one I will explain it to you how the new changes are going to have an implication on person's taxes. So let's say a person is having income up to 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 11 lakh, 12 lakh, 16 lakh, 20 lakh, up to 24 lakh, or any person having income up to 50 lakh rupee. These are going to be the examples what we are going to take. So let's say a person is having income up to 8 lakh rupees, he is going to pay no taxes. That means under new regime, now with the new rates, there is going to be no taxes. Up to 9 lakh rupees, no taxes. Up to 10, no taxes. Up to 11, no taxes. Up to 12 also, no taxes. Now, if a person is having income up to 16 lakh rupee, he is going to pay a tax of 1,20,000. For a person having income up to 20 lakh rupee, he is going to pay 2 lakh rupees. A person having income of 24 lakh rupees, he is going to pay 3 lakh taxes, and a person having income of 50 lakh rupees, he is going to pay 10,80,000. What are the savings coming for each class of a person who is having incomes are like this, up to 8, up to 9? So each class is benefited by this amount. So person having income up to 8 lakh rupee, he is, by today's changes, he is saving 30,000 rupees. Person having income up to 9 lakh rupees, saving 40,000 rupees. Person having income up to 12 lakh rupees, he is saving 80,000 rupees. Now person having income of 16 lakh rupee, because government has given a up to here, that means up to 10 lakh rupees, zero taxes. So person having income of 16 lakh rupee, he is benefited by 50,000 rupees. Person having income of 20 lakh rupee, he is benefited by 90,000. And the maximum benefit which is coming by change in rates is 1,10,000. Person having income up to 50 lakh rupees, he is going to save 1,10,000 rupees. That means he is going to pay lesser taxes now. Previously, let's say he was paying around 12 lakh rupees. Now he is going to pay less, 1,10,000 rupees. Things to note here is that rebate under section 87A is increased from 25k to 60k now. So 60,000 you can see rebate, leading to zero taxes. Also, there is no changes in standard. There is no changes in standard deduction. Standard deduction, as discussed previously, it's going to be the same only. Like previously, 75,000 is a standard deduction applicable for salaried employees. Same is applicable. Same is now also. There is no changes in that. Standard deduction up to 75k. Now let's come to next slide. Some basic highlights we will cover here. Updated ITR. Previously we can file ITR up to 2 years. Now we can, with the changes, now we can file up to 4 years. So those people who have not filed their returns, now they can easily comply up to 4 years. This is a major relief. No tax for annual income, as I discussed. No taxes for annual income. Person having annual income up to 12 lakh rupees and person having annual income from salary up to 12.75, including your standard deduction. Zero taxes, no taxes. Standard deduction remains, as I discussed, 75,000 rupees. Claim annual value of 2 self-occupied properties and nil without conditions. Previously, a person was supposed to pay, he can claim one as a self-occupied property, another he used to pay on a notional amount. Notional rent he was supposed to show, but now it is not required. Up to 2 self-occupied properties, he can claim one property, another property, or self-occupied he can claim, no rental income to be shown. So it's again a good benefit, and it has come without any conditions. Let's discuss some more changes in TDS and TCS rates. TDS on rent threshold increased from 2.4 to 6 lakh rupees. What it means? Previously, a person paying rent 20k per month was supposed, more than 20k per month, he was supposed to deduct TDS. Now, person paying up to 50k, no taxes. Only if he is paying above 50, then only TDS will come. It's a major relief. So a person having rent expense up to 6 lakh rupee, no TDS. It will reduce the TDS compliance. TDS on interest. Senior citizens who are having income from interest, saving bank interest or other post office interest, all those things, previously if they were getting cumulatively more than 50,000 from a single financial institution, TDS was getting deducted. Now the same is increased from 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So it's also a major relief for senior citizens, as they do not have much income. So, and their TDS used to get deducted. Now this is not going to be there, up to 1 lakh rupees. TCS on LRS remittance threshold limit increased from 7 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Previously, financial institutions, when they used to transfer money under liberalized remittance scheme, they used to deduct TCS if somebody is transferring amount more than 7 lakh rupees. Now the same is increased to 10 lakh rupees. Also, when a person foreign remittances, when a person used to take education loan for studying abroad, on that also TCS was applicable. Now government has clearly stated that if any person taking loan for studying overseas, there will be no TCS, and the thing to note here is that the loan has to be taken from specified financial institution. You cannot take from anyone, but they have specified the financial institutions. From there you can take a loan, and on that there will be no TCS. So it's a major relief for students who are going overseas to study and for their parents. Thank you so much. We have discussed in a more simplified manner this, and we are coming up with a detailed video. So please like, share and subscribe so that you can remain updated. Thank you so much.